Alright guys, today we're going to be using jade quartz ceramic coating 5-year to do this trailing arm and the frame. Inside the box, you got your bottle of ceramic. We will be using... They give you a microfiber in the case. They also give you an application pad, which I've already used before. So today we're just going to applicate it with the microfiber, which isn't a big deal at all. Crack that open. Boom. We're gonna add a few drops on to our application here. You can actually see it set up. I've wiped it on. I don't know if you can see the glare. We're gonna actually take it off because it's starting to get tacky now. Get it all out of everywhere. Everywhere you put it, you're gonna wipe down. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put this on a time lapse and get this all coated. There you guys have it. That's the 2001 Rm250 swing arm. It's been powder coated, it's been ceramic coated, and we got the swing arm bearings pressed in, seals and sliders. All right, that's all for this episode, guys. So if you could tune in on the next episode, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks and take care.